See, what matters is, if you really observe in this whole thing, is that whether you apply, because in this whole new era of reasoning, moving to a decisioning kind of a thing, how is your engineering judgment is going to work out? Reason, your human engineering is very important because this is the world which AI has not seen. The decision what we generally take as a human, AI has never seen it. AI cannot see also, right? AI only can see the text. AI can only infer something that some decision has been made because of XYZ, but it actually is not the logic, the algorithm behind that decision making is not something what AI understand, because it doesn't know the world knowledge in terms of the physics and the way it's supposed to be, the way we understand. Even the 5 or 6% what understand about physics is not been known to an AI kind of, right? Same thing in the business, and the business something which all of you know, that model or the whatever the models so far we have seen, or the frontier model, they have actually got all these 14 trillions of a token, but nothing from enterprises, right? An enterprise actually run the business and actually has a process, actually has a kind of a policies, actually has a kind of a rules, right? Which has not been known to AI and so forth. Of course, there is an attempt that's going to go forward for it, and that's what the future is all about, right? But today it is not. But what I want to convey in that one, that as long as you design the way you see the future, your engineering judgment on what the future is, and the way you apply that and make the AI work for a decision engine, you'll be the winner. So you need to have this engineering judgment. That's what I call engineering theta. I call engineering judgment is what something is the learnability which you need to have in future, right? Finally, what the outcome we need to have is the reliable actions, and what are the measurable output from that, or the measurable learning from it, right? Okay.